Engine knocking, or pinging, is a phenomenon that every car enthusiast should understand. It occurs when the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber ignites prematurely, causing a knocking sound. This can happen due to several factors, like using low-octane fuel, which can't withstand the pressure and heat in high-performance engines. When this premature ignition happens, it creates shock waves that can damage pistons and bearings over time. You might notice it more during hard acceleration or when climbing steep hills. It's crucial to address knocking promptly, as it can lead to serious engine damage. Upgrading to a higher octane fuel, checking your ignition timing, or even inspecting your spark plugs can help mitigate this issue. Remember, a well-tuned engine not only performs better but also runs smoother, keeping that sweet sound of power intact.